How to redeem Roblox gift card on your phone. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily redeem your gift card on Roblox. First thing you have to do is open up Roblox on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have done that, find the More section at the bottom right corner. And once you head over there, you have different options like Marketplace, Premium, Profile, Connections, and more. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Help and Safety. Tap on it, then tap on Help. Once you get to the Help section, all you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for Redeem. Hit the search icon and it's going to show you all the related articles. Now just tap on the first result, how to redeem and spend your gift card. And once you tap on it here, you can use this link, first link right here, that is roblox.com/redeem. You can either tap on this to directly open it on your web browser, or you could just search this on your browser. So just tap on this link and it's going to automatically open up your web browser. Wait for a bit. And now it's going to open it up on the browser. It's using the game's inbuilt browser, so if you're not able to do this, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then tap on the search bar, tap on roblox.com. So go to roblox.com/redeem and you should be able to go ahead and enter your redeem code for your gift cards and then tap on redeem, and if the card is valid, then you should be able to claim the gifts. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.